Minecraft Education Edition. What is Minecraft Education Edition? It's like Minecraft Education Edition is an open world game like that promotes creativity, collaboration and problem solving in an immersive environment where the only limit is your imagination. Like in which way you can imagine. Minecraft opens the world for you, and in Minecraft you can imagine and make your own world, and you can create a new imagination of you. So it's no secret that Minecraft is widely popular and very famous as a game, and has been for some time since its creation in 2009. Minecraft was created in 2009. Minecraft has captured the minds and imaginations of more kids than we count. Like that more kids in our world plays Minecraft and get so much information and knowledge from it. Merchandise, a movie, school educators, and our very own summer camps have caught the Minecraft fire, and the blaze is only spreading. The blaze of Minecraft is spreading in the world, and many people are playing Minecraft, and many students are playing Minecraft for the better progress and gearing up their education. Perhaps the world's redstone, blocks, and Enderman are already staples in your home. Like many parents, you may be worried about exactly how much time your little one is spending on the computer playing a game that looks like it is came from the first decades of the internet. If your child is playing a Minecraft, surely it can't be healthy for them, right? They can't possibly be learning from just playing, can they? Actually, they can and they are. Minecraft is an educational game because it enhances creativity, problem solving, self-direction, collaboration, and other life skills. In the classroom, school, Minecraft complements reading, writing, math, and even history learnings. Importantly, Minecraft also instills business principles, STEM knowledge, and a global perspective. Both fun and educational, Minecraft is easily on our list of best video game for kids. Minecraft is like one of the best video games for kids. Reading failure. Learn and try again. Minecraft is a game in which you can die and you can respawn. So don't let it go. You try again, and when you more time try again, you can learn the game very easily, and it is a very interesting game in education and for fun also. Minecraft offers an opportunity to simulate real world problems and solutions. Like nowadays COVID-19 is going on, and of this many educators and students are making some museums, places of COVID-19 where they can show like how many countries have corona and how many are not, and they can also cure the corona patients. What is Minecraft and why Minecraft is in education, and how can we play or how do we play Minecraft? What is Minecraft? Minecraft is an educational game which enhances our creativity, problem solving, and self-direction. Minecraft is a very nice game which enhances so much things of us and boosts our mind, and it can also help in our education like in maths. There are so many places there by which we can explore and learn maths and chemistry and history also. In history, there are so many monuments made by educators in Minecraft by which we can explore and learn and get knowledge from it. So why Minecraft in education? Minecraft is used in education because it is focused on education, and it boosts student subjects like in school. If a children play Minecraft and he uses it for education, he uses for his or her education, then he or her can get nice marks and get knowledge from Minecraft. How do we play Minecraft? Minecraft is a basic and easy game. There are no some custom controls, and there are some basic controls which I will show you. What is Minecraft? Minecraft is a sandbox game. Sandbox game means many things in Minecraft are like square, like the grass, the blocks, the stones, the and and so many things like sand are likely sandbox, like they are square. And though it is called a sandbox game, in it there is a mode creative and survival. In creative mode, we don't have any life or we have to survive in creative mode. We just have to build in that creative mode. In of monthly build challenge, students and educators mainly use creative mode because creative mode is specified for building things. And survival mode means in survival mode you spawn at a place and then you have to found so many things like tree, and you have to make a house, and at night some mobs like zombies, skeletons, spiders come and attack you. So in survival mode you have to survive from that mobs and live. Automation and engineering. In creative mode, automation is very important, by which there are already so many things in that creative mode, and in survival mode you have to find things and make things in that crafting table. Low floor and high ceiling. Why Minecraft in education? It is a game-based learning. Means kids and students can play game and get learning from it. Because Minecraft is used in education, students can learn so many things, like if they play any other game, they can play Minecraft and get knowledge from it instead. Students' choice. Minecraft is a very popular game and there are so many downloads of it, and it is mainly of students' choice. Means students in various places play Minecraft, and they choose Minecraft as this is their favorite game. Creativity. Minecraft supports creativity. As you can see here, there is a museum of COVID-19 and how creatively it is made by students and educators. Collaboration. Collaboration is also an important thing in Minecraft. Minecraft teaches us how to collaborate with others, and it is mainly used in collaboration. Problem solving. Students can solve their school problems and other problems in Minecraft. Like there are so many biomes and worlds and lessons libraries by which you can go and you can solve your problems like maths, history, geography, science, etc. Content creation. Minecraft is also used for content for creating a content, like you can make so many things like if like nowadays the COVID-19 phenomena is going, so you can make a museum of COVID-19, you can make a place of COVID-19. Tech and STEM. Tech and STEM means it supports the science, technology, engineering, and maths. Means STEM means Minecraft supports STEM, in which there are so many subjects you can learn like science, technology, engineering, and maths. Narrative and storytelling. Like in Minecraft, there is an option of immersive reader by which an AI reads the things for you and you can play it very nicely. Digital citizenship and self. Leverage student expertise. Students experience so many things in this Minecraft game and they love Minecraft very much, and it is a student choice game. Education edition specific features. Specific features like there is a camera and there are some blocks, so you can keep a camera and take a photo what you have built in creative mode or survival mode. and there is an NPC, like you can see in this picture where my mouse is. So there is an NPC. In that NPC, you can write something, and by just clicking right click, the NPC says it for you. And here is an option of immersive reader with my mouse, which speaks to us. And there is a blackboard where you can write some things, and students can learn it. And there are also some books and many educational books by which you can learn some things, like there is a pyramid of Egypt, like friends who go to the place take picture from the camera and they keep it in a Minecraft book. Minecraft in education resources. There is an option of library like lessons, monthly build challenge, biome worlds, and how to play. In lessons, you can learn so many. In lessons, you can learn so many lessons like maths, science, history. And in monthly build challenge, a challenge is given to you every month, and you have to complete it. And the Minecraft sees that how creatively and how nicely you have made the challenges. Biomes and worlds. There are so many worlds like desert world, normal world, ocean biome, and other. And there is also an option of how to play. In how to play, you can get the basic information of Minecraft and the controls of Minecraft by which you can play Minecraft very easily. The monthly build challenge in April, May, and June month. I have also participated. I have also participated in monthly build challenge. I have made a NASA space rocket which is very creative, and I have made it like a. I put a redstone in the downside of it. And in and in the and my challenge of May month and June month, they both are published on the Minecraft page, like 5 people in the whole world, and one of them is me. Minecraft in education resources. As you can see, here is the lesson. Here you can see like computer science, math, science, language arts, history and culture, and art and design. In computer science, there are so many things, and by this agent, you can learn computer science very easily. It will also help in your computer science subject. Math. In math, you can do addition, subtraction, make some graphs, diagrams, and you can learn so many things from it. And there is also specific feature of NPC and agent. By using code, you can build some things from them. Science. In science, there is like chemistry, biology, and geography, and there are some maps which show you your continent and our world. Language arts. In language arts, you can explore the things here, like here is a dragon, and here are some trees which are like blossom trees. And history and culture. In history and culture, you can visit and explore so many things like Egypt, Taj Mahal, Paris, and some historical monuments like forts, and you can visit them and get knowledge from it. And the inside also, they are made very nicely by the students. Art and design. In art and design, you can make so many faces with the blocks, and the NPCs show you how to make them. Minecraft in education resource. This is Minecraft education website. This, where is my mouse? First one, where you can go and see what is Minecraft and get basic knowledge of it. It is an official website of Minecraft Education Edition. Minecraft Education Edition download. By clicking this link, you can download Minecraft Education Edition. My Minecraft Journey course. Here you can see so many students and educator journey course by which how they started playing Minecraft and where they are now. And how to play. It is playing Minecraft is very basic.
मी theoretical सांगत आहे, practical याच्यानंतर सांगेन असं.
How to play? It is very basic in Minecraft to play. So now I am saying you it theoretical, but afterwards in this meeting I will show you practically how to play, create, and some basic functions of Minecraft. So in your keyboard, the W key is used to go forward, A is used to move left, D is used to move right, and S is used to move backward. And of the mouse, you can left click to break the blocks, and you can right click to place the blocks, and there are a total of 9 places where you can keep your things. How to play? Education edition tutorial. In Minecraft Education Edition, there is an Education Edition tutorial by Minecraft in which you can get some basic knowledge of Minecraft, how to play, and tutorial 1 is movement, like how you can move by using the keys W, A, S, and D. Code builder tutorial by your agent and NPC. There is a tutorial of code builder. Chemistry tutorial. Introduction to Minecraft Education Edition. This is my page and this is my YouTube channel of Minecraft, where I upload so many things of Minecraft, and my monthly build challenge and my creativity of Minecraft I upload in my YouTube channel. You can scan QR code and you can visit my YouTube channel, and please subscribe, share, and like my videos, and you can get information from it. Follow me on Twitter. This is my QR code of Twitter, and this is my Twitter account handle name. So please follow me on Twitter. On Twitter also I post so many things of Minecraft, like build challenge and creativity other. Now I'm going to show you some basic knowledge of Minecraft practically. So I'm starting education edition of Minecraft now. This is the first page of Minecraft education edition. As you can see here, it takes some time to load. Here you have to sign in with your Office 365 account. So here you can sign in with your Office 365 account, and you can log in, sign in, and play Minecraft Education Edition.
Just a minute.
Just a minute, I will share my screen. This is the home page of Minecraft. As you can see, there are 3 or 4 options here, like play, settings, switch account, and here is the place where you can check your costume. Here you can change your costume. I will show you. Here are so many costumes like default, recent, everyday, hero skins, developer skin, team up skin pack, story mode skin pack, redstone specialist skin pack. Like there are so many. So I will take this one. So as you can see, my costume is changed. So firstly you should click to the play button, And there are 5 options here like view my worlds, view library, create new, join world and import. In view my worlds, you can view your worlds which you have created, and view library in which you can take so many lessons, worlds, monthly build challenges. So I will show you. As you have seen there are 4 options here like lessons, monthly build challenge, biomes and worlds, and how to play. Firstly, the lessons. In the lessons, as you can see here are 6 subjects like computer science. So you can go here and learn some subjects like computer science, math, science, language arts, history, culture, and art and design. And here are monthly build challenges. Here you can see all the monthly build challenges which are published. So here is some agent to rescue architecture, and as you can see here are so many, and it is build a Mars rover challenge. So you can click here and you can play a monthly build challenge, and this build a Mars rover by Minecraft. So by clicking this you can play, and it is the June month Minecraft challenge. Biomes and worlds. Here are some biomes and featured worlds. As you can see in biomes, there are so many biomes like ocean biome, desert, a normal world, forest, and other. And here is featured world where there are all things firstly, and you can explore how creatively they have made these featured worlds. Here is how to play tutorial where you can start here and additional tutorial. In start here, you can learn basic knowledge of Minecraft, that how many things are in Minecraft and how they can be used to create some things. And here are additional tutorials like how to do movement, how to take things, and how to create and place blocks in ground. And here is the create new option where you can create a new world and play it. Here are join world by which you can join your friends world and you can play with them. Here is import. By clicking the import you can import some monthly build challenges, and you can play from the by clicking import you can import monthly build challenges of Minecraft from the official website of Minecraft. So by clicking create new, you can create 2 options like new world or some templates. So I will create a new world. So here are some options. So I will show it. Here you can give the name of your world. Like I will give it like a small house. I will give it name as small house. So you can give it. So here you can give the name to your world. And here are default game mode like survival and creative. In survival, as I have said, in survival you have to survive in an island and you have to explore so many things and you have to survive in that island, and at night some mobs like zombies, skeletons and spiders come to attack you, but you can make a house by cutting the tree and making wood. This is the creative mode. In that creative mode you can explore things as you, if you have to build a monthly build challenge, you can obviously take creative mode, because in that creative mode the all things are firstly there. So I will firstly take the survival mode. In survival mode you have to survive, and in creative mode you didn't have to survive, you only have to explore things, and you can do creativity in this creative mode. So I will take the survival mode. Here is difficulty. This there are 4 difficulties like peaceful. The peaceful mode means the no mobs spawn here. In this peaceful mode means some no mobs spawn here like zombies, skeletons, spiders didn't spawn here. This is the easy mode. In easy mode, like you can run fast and some little world is there. And the normal mode, I will take normal mode because in normal mode all things are normal and you can play easily. And this is the hard mode, which there are a large number of mobs in it, and there is a big island, and you have to explore the things, and your speed will also be slow. So this is the permission level for students who join world. So by clicking here, you can view the world like visitor. Like visitor can freely visit and explore your world, but they cannot interact with blocks, items, or entities like members. Members are active players in your world, like I am now creating world. And the operator means operators are members who can set player permissions and use commands to have more control over your world. And this is the world type infinite, like in flat world. Like as you can see here, the infinite world means like there are some mountains, hills, and some oceans in it. And and if you choose flat world is an obvious way of building monthly build challenge. And in flat world, there are no mountains, oceans, and hills. There is a and there are no trees. There is only a flat world where you can build and create. And this is the old world, which is an old world. And this is the seed. You can write here your seed and you can join your friend's world. This is the simulation distance, 8 chunks, like how many places you can place the blocks. And there are world options like show coordinates. Show coordinates means you can see how up and and at which coordinate you are. And this immediate respawn means if you get killed by some mob, then you can be immediate respawn. And these are some active cheats which you can use in Minecraft. This is the code builder option, and the code builder is very important in Minecraft, and it is very creative because by the code builder you can build some things by giving some instructions to the code builder, which is our agent or NPC. Like it is the option always day. If I click the always day option, there will be no night in that option. So here are play and host. In play means you can play the world, and host means you can explore the world and see it. So I will start the game now.
Flat world madikkar.
So here they will give you some basic information and tips and tricks of Minecraft. Now I'm creating a survival mode. As you can see, I have spawned near an ocean. Firstly, when you create an world, you spawn at a place like this or any other place. So to move forward, here you can see here are the controls like W for forward, S for back, A for left, D for right, and space for jump, and E for inventory, C for code builder, and shift for sneak. So you can space and jump. So I'm clicking space and I can jump here. Yeah, I can. So see, I can jump here. You can also spawn your agent here by clicking C, and you can click shift button to sneak. Like I'm clicking shift and I'm sneaking now. As you can see, here is my position. Like it is 5, 69, and 9 coordinate, and it is the agent position like 5, 70, and 0. Firstly, you have spawn in a place. As you spawn in a place, you can cut the trees by clicking left click. So I'm cutting a tree now. I have got 2 wood and by clicking E, my inventory opens and I can make some wooden planks from it. So I have made here 8 wooden planks. So when you have have 8 wooden planks, you can make a crafting table in which you can make your things. You can also make this oak button, oak pressure plate and sticks. I will make sticks because they are useful to make axe, sword and stuff like that. So here is the ocean.
बटन सांगाच बाजूचे.
So you immediately spawn here when you create and world. So firstly, if you're lucky, then you can get a village near your world. So I'm going up now and seeing where is my world. Oh, it is an island. So on this island I have spawned. So I will show you how my world is created.
Excuse me, Piyush.
Yes.
How are you moving? Which key you are pressing to move?
As you can see here, I'm clicking W for move forward.
Okay, only W you are pressing and you are moving ahead.
Yes. And if you have to get back, you can press S and if you have to move left side, you can press A. See like this. And if you have to move at right, you can press D and you can move right. So
Just now we are object. We are become one object. Means the user is the object here.
yes, it is an object.
So the object is not visible. Only the cursor is visible.
Yes. Because it is the first person camera, so I will show you
Okay.
by
Okay. You have changed the object to cursor sign.
yes. So
Okay.
by clicking this video general, you can take like here is the first person camera perspective. So you can do like third person front. And now
Okay.
you can see my face.
Okay.
It is easy to play in first person camera because you can see the things in front of you. So it is a cow.
Hmm. So how have you changed this? Please tell us.
Yes.
Hmm. This first person, how have you changed it?
You can change it by just you have to go in this setting option.
Setting.
You can press E on your keyboard and you can press the settings button and here are so many settings like accessibility, keyboard, mouse, controller, touch, profile and video. And in this video option there are so many like full screen, hide hide paper doll, hide HUD, screen animations. So you can click here camera perspective and you can change the camera place like first person, third person back, third person front.
तयार करताना फर्स्ट पर्सन आपल्याला उपयोगी
Okay.
पडते.
So when you have to create anything or you have to survive, so you can take first person camera because it is useful to see the things in front of you.
Okay.
So if I'm first person
Okay.
camera, you can see the things in front of you.
Okay. Carry on, Piyush.
Here I have spawned in an world and there are some trees. You can cut the trees and get wood from it and you can make wooden planks from it. So once you have cut some tree and got some wood, so you can make wooden planks like this. You can make wooden planks from the birch log. Like I have made some 8 wooden planks here. And by these wooden planks you can make a crafting table. So once you have made a crafting table, you can place it anywhere by right click
या वर्ल्ड मध्ये आपला सामान तयार करून घ्यावं लागते.
So in the survival world, you have to make things, but in creative world, it is not like that. It is not like that. In creative world, you get so much things from first. I will show you by clicking E. Your inventory opens. So in this survival mode, here are some things, but you cannot take but you cannot take these things because you don't have these things. So like if you once you have made a crafting table, you can place by right clicking, and by right clicking on the crafting table, your all things open here. So which things you can make are shown like in this white box, and view and which you can't, they are shown in this red color box. So you can make a birch fence. You can make a birch fence. So now a creeper blowed up here, and here is a destruction there.
हे वर्ड अवघड आहे खेळायला.
This survival world is very hard to play because there are so many mobs there. So as you can see, here are no mobs, but there are so many mobs in this world. Like as you can see, there is a spider. As I go in front of that spider, the spider comes to kill me, and we have to kill that spider. If we don't, they will kill us, and we can be respawned. If when you kill a spider, you can get things like I have get now a spider eye and a string. And this is my agent. You can click C and you can take your agent. This is an island. So that is a creeper. If you go near of that creeper, it blows up. See, it has blown up now.
Piyush, can you show us how to build a house, small house?
मोड बदल आणि घर बनव.
Yes.
मोड बदल आणि घर बनव.
Lot of distraction you are doing. You are killing everyone. You are cutting the trees. Now
Kill
show us how.
mobs, no.
Yeah. Now
If
just tell us how we can build a small house.
Okay.
So मोड बदल आणि एक छोटंसं घर बनव.
So this survival mode is hard. So I am doing this creative mode because in creative mode you can make some things easily. Like now I'm in creative mode. So you can't see my health and my food. And in creative mode I can fly in the sky and no one does anything to me. Like see, I'm near the zombie, but he didn't do anything to me. But if you are in a survival mode, he will come to attack you. So now I will show you how to make a small house. So firstly we will make day by clicking T, and by this comma you can change the time like day, and by this arrow you can change the time. See, it's the day now. At day the zombies get killed because creative mode is a quite simple, because in this creative mode you can change time, weather, and no one does anything to you, and all the things are specified to you. As you can see here, firstly in survival mode I can't take these things, but now I can take this block of iron. See, I have a block of iron now. So I will show you how to make a small house. Firstly we will go to an place. So I will make a house here. I will take some things like stairs, like this smooth cord stairs, because they are very nice to make a house, and they are very durable. If in survival mode You make the chords smooth chords straight. No one can do anything. And I will take these stone bricks which are very attractive.
Same बनाओ.
And I will take this block of iron and some pillar quartz block.
Simple बनाओ. Simple बनाओ.
I will make a wool.
Simple. Same बनाओ. Same. Totally
So
same.
I will make a simple house here now.
ते तोडून टाक. जागा बनव पहिला.
Firstly, I will place here some blocks by clicking right click. I will place here a. I will
ते
make here
समजतं
a
याचं
platform.
scroll केलं की खाली सरकते असं सांग.
You can scroll your mouse and you can take things like I scroll my mouse and it's a stone brick in my hand.
Scroll कर.
And as you can see, I can scroll. The things come into my hand. As you can see here, I'm scrolling now and the
Right.
things are coming in my hand.
Right click टाकायला.
And by right clicking, you can place the block and by left clicking, you can destroy the block. In creative mode, it is easy to destroy any blocks by clicking left click. See, immediately it is destroyed. But in survival mode, it takes some time to destroy the block. So firstly, I will make here a platform for my house. So there is a platform and now I will make a simple house.
पाण्याकडे तोंड करून. पाण्याकडे तोंड करून असलं घर बनव.
I will place here some blocks here.
Same बनव.
I will place here some.
Boundary आपण.
So firstly, we have to break some 2 blocks for the entrance and you can place here door. I will take the door by clicking E and from here you can take door. In this search option you can search door and there are so many doors, so I will take this dark oak door because it is very attractive and it looks nice. So you can click right click and the door comes, and if you click and if you right click on it, the door opens, and if you left click on it, the door is destroyed now. So I will make a simple house. I will keep here some wood. As you can see here, I'm keeping some wools here by right click. I have placed here some wools.
छोटं कर. लय मोठं नाही ना. टाइम नाही बघ. पण तयार करणे का.
So you can right click and place blocks here and you can make a small house. I'm placing here some red wool. You can place here some blocks and from here you can also take it.
एकदम छोटं. 10 मिनिट आहेत फक्त. हे तयार करून प्रश्न उत्तरासाठी हे करायचं. आन्सर क्वेश्चन. कॅमेराचा.
You can also make roof. If it rains, you can be safe from the rain. You can place here things.
आवाज बनव. तुझा आवाज.
You can place here the wool. So my house is now completed. As you can see here, I have made a small house. And you can place here so many things, like I will place here a bed and a crafting table. I will take a white bed.
पाणी पी थोडं.
I will take white bed and a crafting table, so which I can place in my house. I will place my bed here. And I will place my crafting table here. In this crafting table, you can make things, but in creative mode, you already have some things here. So as you can see, I have made a small house here, and you can place some lantern or a tortoise there. Like I will show you, I will place a lantern here. See, there is more light now. I right click and open the door. I will name my house as Sweet House.
H capital.
Enter and you can see. So there is my house name, Sweet House. So I made a small house here. So when you have completed your progress in this world, you can save and exit, and your world will be saved. And whenever you open Minecraft, so you can play here. By here, view my worlds.
There was no window in the house. Option is available or not?
Yes, it is available. A window, roof, balcony, you can make all, but I have made a small house.
Okay.
Do we need to install this Minecraft Education Edition on our system? Hello.
Yes.
ओपन तुमचे कॅमेरे ऑन करा माइक अनम्यूट करा असं म्हणा.
You can open your camera and unmute yourself, and you can ask some questions if you like regarding this.
Yeah. Thank you, Piyush. Yes, cool.
Welcome, ma'am.
So we
So
need
if
to
you have
install
any
this
questions, you can ask.
Minecraft. We need to install it, or we can just go on the site and just play and make it there.
Piyush, can you hear us? I think there's some problem.
Hello.
हैंग आउट हो गया था अभी चालू हो गया. हम देख रहे हैं क्या दोनों. अभी मेरा कैमरा ऑन कर दिए. अभी 1 मिनट देखेंगे. अभी कैमरा अभी बंद गिर गया था. ये कैमरा टैप कर कैमरा बंद. काही प्रश्न असला तर विचारा. मला बोलत राहता.
Do you have any questions regarding
Yes,
this?
yes.
So you can ask now.
Shabi ma'am, you can ask.
Yes, you can ask now.
Yeah. I just asked Piyush. We can play it by opening it on our screen on internet, just like we play Hour of Code. Same
Yes.
way we can also open and create it, or we just need to download the Minecraft edition.
No, ma'am, you have to download the Minecraft
We
by
need
going
to
on
download
official
it.
Minecraft education site, and you can download
Yes,
from
yes.
there and you can play Minecraft.
Okay, okay. Thank
This is a
you.
mobile app. Hello.
Yes, thank you, Piyush. Sandhya ma'am, you want to ask anything?
Amazon ma'am is asking from
Yes,
Piyush.
yes,
Asking
please
that
done.
is it a mobile app?
I think some network issue again.
Yes.
Hmm.
The line is
Wait.
dropped.
Let me call.
हाँ जी, ये कैमरा सेट कर रहा हूँ इसलिए ये हैंग हो रहा
Okay,
है।
okay.
कैमरा सेट नहीं हो रहा है अभी हमारा, अभी हम ट्राई कर रहे हैं। क्या होगा?
We have seen Piyush so uploaded. We have seen it on Minecraft. Taruna ma'am, you want to ask anything? I think the people are raising.
So Mr. Gopal Kaushik is raising hand. Let Piyush come.
The meeting was cutted because the time was over, man.
Okay. Piyush, there are many people who are raising hand and who want to ask the questions. Can you help them?
You can ask. You can ask.
Amazon ma'am, now you can ask.
I was just asking that Minecraft, is it a mobile app? We need to download it from the Play Store or from somewhere else?
On Play Store, on Play Store it is paid, man. You have to give like 400 rupees. You have to give like 492 rupees for purchasing it on Play Store. So on laptop you can download it by on Minecraft Education Edition official website. You can go there.
For free.
And you will need the license of Office 365 for signing in to
Yes, that we have.
Minecraft Education Edition.
Okay. Thank you, Piyush.
Someone else is also raising hand.
Yes, ask.
I wanted to ask Arush Gupta.
Yes.
I wanted to ask that the Minecraft Education Edition is also now paid, I guess, because after I was actually there was a competition in what I have made a world. Now after 10 to 15 days, it is showing that now your trial is complete from your Microsoft ID, and now say to your school expert to buy the license for you. So what to do for that? Actually, now they on the Play Store, I guess it's for $5. But in from my Microsoft ID on the
Yes.
laptop, it is showing that your Microsoft account is completed.
So
Trial.
which you have downloaded? So which you have downloaded? I think that was the Minecraft trial version.
I guess
Excuse me.
no, it was Education Edition. On the laptop, I downloaded it.
Excuse me, Deepak.
So you can go on the official official website of Minecraft Education Edition, and you can get the whole information there, that how to download, and you can download from there how to purchase. and you should need a Office 365 account to log in. If you didn't have an Office 365 license, so you can't log in and you can't play.
Yes, I have that, but I have only downloaded that. I have logged into my ID from my Microsoft ID Office 365, but now it is saying that your trial is complete from my Office 365 ID.
Excuse me. This is Gopal, and I am in Arush team only, and the competition is still
You
going
can
on.
only play for on that
Then
in that trial version. You can only play for 2 to 3 days, and if you have played for 2 to 3 days, then it is over and you can play anymore.
ते कसं purchase करायचं
we
ते
also
आहे.
know Deepak, and Minecraft trial version can't be downloaded in laptop or desktop. Minecraft
You can
Education Edition.
download it in anywhere. You can download it on PC and laptop, but it is not in mobile.
It gives us an offer of 90 minutes trial mode. We can create infinite number of worlds, but in every world it is a time limit of 90 minutes. But we were using 3 hours from last 1 month. It can't be the trial one, no. Actually, behind the servers, Microsoft behind servers, there is some glitch is happening, so that the price is automatically going up and going down.
Yes. I think you have downloaded the trial version.
So Piyush, can you share the official site link in the chat box?
Yes.
Yes, I can see.
Okay, so kindly share the link. I will be trying it by downloading that and entering my
Yes, I will share.
माझी स्क्रीन
Yes,
शेअर
yes.
करतो तिथे लिहिलेलं आहे लिहून घ्या म्हणा.
So I will share my screen now so you can see, and I have written there the link so you can see and go at that website official Minecraft and you can download education edition.
स्क्रीन दिसायली का म्हणा माझी.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, we can see your screen.
So you have to go in Google Chrome and you have to go in Minecraft Education Edition official website.
या ॲड्रेस अनुसार ॲड्रेस
So-
अनुसार पट बोल ना.
So as you can see here that upside is the link that HTTPS. This is the official link of Minecraft Education Edition. You can go here and you can download Minecraft Education Edition. Like in that support you can download Minecraft Education Edition. As you can see here, here are some available platforms for download for Windows or download for Apple. On Apple,
Excuse me.
it will be available on Mac and iPad, and on desktop it is available for Windows. So by clicking this recommended for it as Windows desktop, by clicking download now, you can download Minecraft Education Edition.
Excuse me.
Yes.
I wanted to ask that when I downloaded the Minecraft Education Edition, the same page was there, and I downloaded from download now only.
पहिले डाउनलोड करा म्हणून त्याच्यानंतर ऑफिस 365 ने साइन इन करा.
So first you download the Minecraft Education Edition from hereby.
क्लिकिंग
I have downloaded it,
and you will need a office.
तिने बोलायला आपण बोलायचं. हां यस तिला बोलू.
Yes, say.
I have downloaded it and I have logged in it with my 365 after 1 month,
Yes.
it shows that trial has been completed. Your trial has been completed after 1.5 month. It showed, and it said
So
that
I
now
think you haven't logged in with your Office 365 account, so it is seeing like that. Firstly, you have to download it from the Minecraft Education Edition official website, and you have to give your Office 365 account, and you can log in. So you will compulsory need Office 365 account for playing Minecraft Education Edition. As you can see on the screen, this is the link of Minecraft Education Edition
Take screenshot.
website. You can take screenshot. You can take screenshot and you can visit on that link.
Today's meeting's code.
This was the
मोठ्यानं म्हणा.
today's achievement code, that is, as you can see here, this P is the today's achievement code.
Hello. Piyush, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Thank you, Piyush. Just want to ask one thing.
Welcome,
If
ma'am.
I have, hello, are you listening? Hello.
Yes, I'm
Just want
listening.
to download it mobile or a laptop or a mobile. Can it not be downloaded again on another device?
Repeat it, ma'am.
Shabi ma'am, you need to repeat your question. I think there must be some signal problem. Piyush, can you hear me?
Hello.
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
I just want कि once we download it, can it not be
Yes.
downloaded? I could not. I see. Piyush, I just want to know once we have downloaded my.
Yes.
I think ma'am has to ask if I have downloaded on one device.
Yes.
Hello.
Can I do it on some other also with the same login?
Yes.
Okay. On other
But you
device
can't
with the
play
same
it
login.
but you can play it on mobile because there is no education edition available on mobile.
Okay.
On Android. So you can log in with your Office 365 account, like you can play it on tab, laptop, PC. You can log in with the same account on tab, PC, and you can play at two sites.
Okay. Fine. I hope no questions now. Everyone is clear.
Yeah.
Thank you so
Yes.
much, Deepak sir, and thank you so much, Piyush. Really, it is a wonderful session. And Piyush, we will discuss